Good morning. This is Saturday, January 5, 2008, and this is the weekly chart of the Euro US dollar and the Forex. This is yesterday's closing in here, right here at this point, January 4. This is a look at what might be going on with that bull flag that I showed you on the other videos and why it may not be taking off. This is the peak point of resistance right here. It's going to be a tough one to break. Notice the MACD down here is strong. It goes down same as here, but this up move is not quite as strong. So it may just have a tough time getting above that, and if it doesn't, then it's going to go sideways for some time. What you might notice also right here on a weekly is a 1, a 2, and a 3. Might keep an eye on this point right here as a shorting opportunity. Okay, I'm going to switch over to the daily chart and give you a closer look at that bull flag of why it may or may not be going. I didn't trade, but then of course, as I've mentioned earlier, I'm not an active trader. I'm a price pattern technician, pass along what I know, and as with everything, nothing is always when you're trading futures, be it the Forex, futures market, stocks for that matter, anything. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. Okay, here's the daily chart of the Euro US dollar. The closing yesterday on Friday the 4th was at 1.4750. Note there's a point of resistance here. Here, there's a spot here. This resistance is holding its own. It seems to be tough to break it. It might be what's holding this thing down. If it breaks out here and closes above this, which as you can see it hasn't done yet, here would be that next high point of resistance, which I showed you on the weekly. It definitely has to break above that to hit this goal here. If it does that, you'll probably make it. But it's got to get above it first, and it's got to close above this closing right here of 1.4750. Does that, it'll probably take off. But then, of course, you have to get a closing above this point of resistance. The indicators are showing strength right here, which is good. Look at this here. This high point here, this is down like I pointed out before. This point down here, you get going that way, and this is convergence. When prices and indicators converge, there's a pretty good chance it will go up. So you keep this kind of thing in mind when you look at these price patterns when you trade. As I pointed out on the weekly, there's a 1, 2, 3 forming. Here would be the 1 on the daily chart. There's a 2. This could be a 3 point. If it doesn't break there, then you have a shorting opportunity right there for the 1, 2, 3 down pattern. Okay, I wish you all luck. If you'd like to find out more about price patterns, go to my blog, www.myfuturesblog.com. I hope to see you there. Until then, good trading to all.